The Vegas PBS workshops are more interactive and engaging for the families. I love how they take hands-on investigations, then the kids ask the questions and explore and design experiments. But I also love how they tie in the PBS TV shows. Haylee is very curious, very spirited. She loves learning. Yeah, she loves everything from outdoors to learning about science. She and I have done a science class with Ruff Ruffman, a exploration class with Cat in the Hat, and a Molly of Denali class.
Your father won't mind at all if you do.
Short video clips really captures their attention. And I love how these characters are asking questions, and then the kids, they're actually answering the questions.
Whoa! How high will it go? Try it and see.
Let's see how many bounces she got.
Plus, the teachers are really engaging.
It's like we're a part of the book.
She's always laughing. She's using the engineering design process to test out her designs.
Is it protected from the sun? Yeah.
To find solutions to her questions. At home, she starts designing her own little bridges. We use the PBS apps at home. She could do it herself, or I could do it with her. It's actually fun when both of us do it together. It's just one way for them to learn. And then when you tie it in with the activity, it really helps her remember what she's learning. All the stuff that we do in the class, we could actually do at home. So I see her taking what she's learning in class and just doing it naturally while she's playing. She would sometimes say that I'm going to be a scientist when I grow up, if she's not saying she's a queen that day. The Vegas PBS family workshops stand out.